All hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today I want to talk to you guys about a fragrance that is fairly new to my collection, but this thing is a compliment monster. I mean, when I first smelled this fragrance, I thought it was nice, but I had no idea, how well this thing will perform. And the fragrance I'm talking to you guys about today comes from the house of Alexandria Fragrances, and it is Cacao Dreams. Now, I initially introduced this one to the channel a few weeks ago when I did the Alexandria Fragrances unboxing, and this is one that immediately caught my attention. So prior to the unboxing, I had never experienced anything from the house of Alexandria Fragrances, so when they told me to pick a few that I might want to try, I had no idea where to start. But after doing some searching on their website, I came across this one, and a few things drew me to it. One, I appreciated that this one was an original fragrance. A lot of times when I get these indie fragrances in, they are clones, so I really appreciated the fact that this one was a original fragrance. And then two, the note breakdown was quite interesting. Well, I guess it was more so the lack of a note breakdown, because they pretty much said mind your damn business. Now they can hide the note breakdown, but one thing they can't hide is how sweet this fragrance is. To my nose, this one is heavy on the cacao and has a slightly boozy vibe. Now I think this one might have a bit of vanilla and tonka, and pretty much this one is diabetes in a bottle. Now if you're into gourmand or sweet fragrances, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like this one. All jokes aside, this one is kind of like they've bottled candy. I mean, I've gotten so many compliments wearing this fragrance, and it has me coming back to it over and over again. I mean, the people love this fragrance. I've gotten compliments from all age groups. I've gotten compliments from men. I've gotten compliments from women. I even got compliments from little old kids, man. This fragrance smells nice. It smells delicious, and it's one that I think if you give it a chance, you will truly enjoy. And if you're looking for a fragrance that's going to get the conversation started, then look no further. This will do it for you. So, interesting story. I took this one to work with me, and as we were wrapping up the day, I kind of reached out to one of the guys and said, hey man, you want to smell like a Tootsie Roll? So then this other guy chimed in. He said, well, why would you want to smell like a 10-cent candy? Well, mon frere, one, you can actually get Tootsie Rolls for a penny, so I don't know where you've been shopping. And two, I sprayed this thing, and that was all she wrote. I mean, they were all in love with this fragrance. I mean, the women enjoyed it as well, but here's the kicker. The very next day, guy comes up to me and says, hey man, what'd you say the name of that fragrance was? And where can I get it? I was searching all day and I couldn't find it. And I was like, well, one, you can't buy it from Sephora. You can't buy it from, Ulta. So I gotta give you the good news, man. I do know what it's called, and I can tell you where to buy it. So I showed him where it was. If he picked it up or not, I'm not quite sure, but he was definitely interested in the fragrance. And think for the pricing, I'm pretty sure he picked it up. I'm pretty sure. So I got another one for you. I was heading out to a meeting the other day, and I sprayed this one on prior to leaving the house. My wife texted me and said, "Oh, I miss you. You got this whole house smelling like fresh, hot chocolate." I mean, I am hot and chocolate. So now on my skin, I get good performance on this one, and then it projects for about the first 2 hours or so, and then it kind of settles down and sits closer to the skin. It has good sillage, and it impresses me more and more every time I wear it. Speaking of wearing it, that's what it looks like if you guys are going to spray it. Spraying that, I can smell the cacao, I can smell the vanilla. The caramel in here is definitely there, it's definitely present. This is a great smelling fragrance. I thoroughly enjoy this one, and I know I said this before, but I think if you grab this one, you gave it a shot, I think you'll like it as well. The price point is really not priced bad. It's easy on the pockets. It comes in two sizes, a 30 ml and a 60 ml. This one here is a 60 ml, which goes for I think $59.99 or $60, and then the 30 ml goes for $30. So $1 per ml. It's a great buy. I don't think you would go wrong with this fragrance, and the compliments are going to roll in. Now, I enjoy compliments. I wear fragrances for compliments, and I hope you do as well. If you're looking for a fragrance that's going to get you compliments, this is one from the house of Alexandria Fragrances. He got Cacao Dreams. Now, all things considered, if I'm going to give this thing a rating from 1 to 10, when I think about the performance, when I think about the smell and the compliment factor. The compliment factor alone on this fragrance is monster. This is the compliment monster, and in my books, this one is a solid Big Beard B 9. I get this one a 9. If you guys tried this fragrance, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts on this one are. Again, I got a few fragrances from the house of Alexandria Fragrances. This is the first one that really stood out to me, and I really enjoy it. As you guys can see, I put a dent in this thing already. I've only had it for maybe, I don't know, not too long, but I've been wearing the hell out this thing. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are. I'll link the unboxing below if you care to check it out if you haven't seen it yet. And I'm your boy, Big Beard B. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and we back again. Hit the goddamn bell.